Alright guys, welcome back to Epic Outdoor Adventures. Brian Peacock here. I'm going to give you a little lesson on fly tying today. I'm going to do the standard woolly bugger today, and I'm going to do it in white, and I'm going to do it in a medium to small size for a woolly bugger. I'm using the Griffin Spider rotary vise, and I'm going to be using a Mustad number 8 streamer hook. It's a 2XH-4XL, and I'm just going to put it in the vise here. And we'll see if this is line this up for you guys here a little better. There we go. Alright, hopefully that's coming in clear. I'm going to use a red uni thread, and this is a 72D in orange, not red, sorry. And I'm just going to start the wrap, take it on back to the back, and we will trim off our tag end. Alright, next we are going to use some white hackle feathers that has marabou at the bottom, and I'm just going to peel off some of that marabou, and then I will pinch it in my hand. Do a loose wrap at first, just to set it, and we'll do about 5 or 6 wraps. We'll wrap that up the shaft and back to the back again. Put a piece out, don't need that one. And there's our tail. Next we're going to use some medium chenille thread, or yarn, should I say, not thread. Let me get my pliers, and we will tie this on right here on the back. Loose wrap first, seat it, and we'll do, oops, well, yeah, you don't want to break your thread off. And we'll go with an olive color. Color of thread really doesn't matter, you're not going to see it, so, except for the head. I'll just wrap another line in that I had up. This is an olive green color. It's just because I have it in a bobbin already, to save time for the video. And then one more piece to the puzzle will be, I'm using a light gray hackle. It's a dry fly hackle. It's a very small gauged hackle, and I'm taking off the down feather section. And I'm just using the hackle part. I like to pull off a couple just to leave a little tag end to start with. Separate your Malibu. I like to tie this in back here. Do a loose wrap first. Get it set. Now I'm going to bring my thread all the way up to the front. And we will wrap our chenille. Tight wraps, touching each other. Go all the way up to the front. And you want to leave about 1/8 of an inch to the front to tie the head. Tie that on. I pull it back, do a couple more in the front to lock it in. And we will trim that tag in down close. And all that's left is our hackle. Grab our hackle if you have hackle pliers. I don't necessarily use them with this long of a piece. And I will counter wrap the opposite way that I just wrapped my chenille. And I will overlap that chenille. Tight wraps, evenly spaced. I'm going about 1/16 of an inch apart from each other. We'll go all the way up to the front. Oh, I let it go. Silly me, sorry. Let's take this back here again. We'll do it one more time for you. Slipped out of my hands. And I like to pull that back and hold it while I wrap. Lock that down. Pull this feather backwards. Wrap in front and create a head. Create a head. Trim this tag piece. Pull back the hackle. Finish the head. And whip finish. I am old school. I don't use a whip finishing tool. I just use my finger. And I do 3 of them. Triple twist. Seat down and clip. And here's your fly.